how to download Pokemon TCG Pocket on mobile. So if you use Android or iOS or Apple, you could just go ahead to your device's store, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just type right here Pokemon TCG Pocket, right? And you're gonna be able right here to see or to download it from the store, and you're gonna be able to have access to see also if you want to update the app or if there is any new update. And if you want to double check that if the app is legit, go ahead to Google, right? And then just type Pokemon TCG Pocket. Pocket, right? And then type iOS or Android, right? And then search for it. Okay, and as you can see right here, it's the same app that I'm currently seeing. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.